Hello, today we're going to continue to do Math Kangaroo 2022. Question number 17. Some identical glasses are stacked on top of each other. A stack with 8 glasses is 42 centimeter high. A stack with 2 glasses is 18 centimeter high. How high is the stack with 6 glasses? So first, we're going to start with the 8 glasses, which means that everything that we do has to times 8. So first, we're going to do 8 for 1, 16 for 2, 24 for 3, 32 for 4, 40 for 5, and then 48 for 6. But since this is 6 for 48, it is already higher than 42, which means that 6 and above are wrong. Now 8 is wrong because then if this much is just 8, then this much would have to be way higher. So that this has to be at least 20, which means that the 16 would be wrong too. Now 24. So if this was 24, then 42 minus 24 would be how much this base is. Just 18. So then if this much is 18, then we can use 42 to minus 18, which is 24 plus 18. That equals to 42, but there's no such thing answer in A, B, C, D, and E. It is 42, which means that 24 is not correct. Now let's try 32. So now, if the top part is 32, then the bottom would have been 10. If this part is 10, then we can use 24 plus 10. That equals to 34, which there is an answer D, so 32 could be right. Let's try 45. Now 42 minus 45 is 7. And then 24 plus 7 is 31. There is no such answer as 31, so D would be the answer. Question number 18. The bus stops in the villages A, B, C, and D are situated along a road in this order. The distance between the bus stops and neighboring villages is 10 kilometers. 10 children live in village A, 20 in village B, 30 in village C, and 40 in village D. All children take the bus to go to school. A new school is going to be built. In order to find a suitable place, the kilometers that each child would travel by bus added together, the school is built at a place where the sum is smallest. Where will the new school be built? So if the answer is A, then in this much, which is all the place, here will be A, B, C, D. If the answer would be A, then this here will be 10, 20, 30, 40. If the answer is A, then there will be 90 people running this way. And we don't care about the A, but since there's 90 going left, then there will be too much. So A would be wrong. B. If it was in B, then there would be 70 running left and 10 running right. Which is still not the smallest number. Now we'll try C. If it was C, then there would be 31 running right, and there would be 70 running left. But still not the smallest. Now let's try D. If it was C, in C, then there will be 30 running right and 40 running left, which is the smallest number because the 40 is closer to the school than the rest. So C would be the answer. D would be the answer. Now let's see why D is not the answer. If it was in D, then there would have been 60 running right. Question number 20. Question number 19. Anna has glued together several cubes of the same size to form a solid. See picture. Which of the following pictures shows a different view of this solid? Which means that it has to be this exact same shape, but just in a different size. I mean, like in a different way to see it. Now let's try A. This is going this way, might be like this, but right here this is going this way, but not like this way. So A is not the answer. B. This part's on. This is the side is going over here, but both of these are going in the middle. So B is not the answer. C. This would be this one, and then this would be like this. So D, C could be the answer. D. These two are the same way going, but these two are opposite. So D is not the answer. E. So it could be this, but right here. This space is going this way, but right here, if it turned like that, this just would have been this way, but then right now it's this way. It's supposed to be over here. So it's not the answer. C is the answer. Question number 20. Water inserts numbers in various ways into empty squares in such a way that the calculation is correct. He always uses 4 of the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. For each calculation, each number is only allowed to appear once. How many of the 5 numbers can water insert into the great square? So first, let's see if we can fit in 2. So first, we're pretending that now if we could do 2, so here's 2. Then if we want to get 2, we can use 4 plus 3, which is 7, and then minus 5. So now let's see if we could put in 3. So then if it was 3, then we could use 5 to plus 2, and then minus 4, that would be 3. Now 4. It could be 5 plus 2 minus 3 is 4. So right now, we can say that A and B is wrong. Because there's 1 and 2, and we already can fit in 3. And now it's 4. It is 5. And now we can use 4 plus 3 minus 2. That would be 5. And now C is wrong, because like this way, and we can do 4. And now, list 5. 6. 5 plus 3 is 8, minus 2 is 6. Which means that D is wrong and E is the answer. Question number 21. A building block is made up of cubes of the same size. The 3 numbers show it from the above. Von, beyond. From the front, von, worn. And from the right, von, rechts. What is maximum of cubes used to make this building, which means that the leftist. So now here is 1. Now I can do that because like it's together in another cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9. This is before. This is before like just the separate side. And now von, worn. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's also before. Here in von rich, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All before. Now for after. And now. And after the von beyond, there would be 8 because this piece right over here will not count because like in von rich, it would be connected to another one. So that would be wrong. So 8. Now in von tron, there would be 6 because these two doesn't count because it's up with the von beyond 2. Now before it's not, but now there's 5 because these 4 would not count because of the von beyond. So now in total there is 19. B. So B is the answer. Question number 12. So now, each animal in the picture right on represents a natural number greater than 0. Different animals represent a different number. The sum of the two numbers of the each column is written underneath each column. What is the maximum value of the sum of the 4 numbers in the upper row that can have? So all of these numbers are odd numbers, which means that one has to be bigger than the other by 1. So then here's 15. Then this part would be 7, and this part would be 8. This is 17. So the bottom would be 5, and the top would be 6. 3, top is 2, down is 1, 7, 4, and 3. So now we can add them together. So then they would be 8 plus 6 plus 2 plus 4. And that equals 20. So C would be the answer. Question number 23. 30 people are sitting around a brown table. Some of them are wearing a hat. Those who do not wear a hat have to speak the truth. Those who wear a hat can either speak truth or lie, so either of them. They all won. At least one of my 2 neighboring people wears a hat. What is the biggest number of people that do not wear a hat? So now, we can draw a line circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So then this said that at least one of them is well. So at least so now right now we have to restart because this circle's a little too small. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. And now we can start. So they all admit that one of them, so one of the neighboring people is wear hats. One of the 2 of them. But the neighboring and the one that is wearing a hat we don't have to admit. So this will be the first one. And then this one, this one, and this one, 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 and this one. So in here there is 10, which means that B is the answer. And while we're drawing the circle, and how many there is 30, because there's 30 people. And we're counting the ones that do not wear a hat. So then, since there's 10 in circles, there would be 20, because 30 minus 10 is 20. So D would be the answer. Question number 24. God has to insert the numbers 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 into the 5 circles of the diagram on the right. In the following way, the product of the 3 numbers in the vertex of each triangle How big is the sum of the numbers in the vertex of the triangle with number 148? So now basically, first, $15 plus 2 would be 17. So basically, right now, we can just use these angles to times together. So this could be 3. And then this place, I believe, would be 7. And then here would be 4. Because 3 times 7 times 4 is 84. And then we're going to use 7 times 4. It is, then we're going to figure out 28 times what is 168. So then, we can first try 6. 28 times 6 is 168. Wow. So then this part would be 6. Now 6 times 7 is, right now, we already figured out all of them, and this is the last number, so this would be 5. So 7 plus 4 plus 6 is 17, which means that D is the answer. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye!